I really love a margarita, however, tequila works so well in built cocktails as well. Today I'm going to make El Diablo. Diablo in Spanish means the devil, okay? So why is it probably called the devil? I would say the fact that it's got 2 shots of tequila in it, you can't even tell, is probably the reason. I love how simple this cocktail is. I just build this one in the glass over some ice. And the first ingredient that I'm going to add is 60 mils or 2 ounces of a tequila. I'm using the El Jimador Reposado, which is our house tequila here at the 18th Amendment Bar. Next up, 15 mils or half an ounce of some freshly squeezed lime juice. Then you need to use some really nice Creme De Cassis. And I'm using the Marionette Creme De Cassis. It's like I'm doing an ad here. And these guys aren't paying me to do this. I know the guys from Marionette and I'm loving all the liqueurs that they're making. 15 mils. And last but not least, I'm going to top it off with some ginger beer. I'm going to give that a little bit of a stir, just to integrate the ginger beer with the fresh lime, the delicious Marionette Creme De Cassis, and the tequila. And I might even just add a little bit of crushed ice on top, but that's optional. Just a lime wedge as a garnish. You've got to use a straw for this one. How easy is that to make? And look at it, it looks delicious. Like you can, if you like, want to make it look a little bit fancier, add the Creme De Cassis, like float it on top at the end. But I like sort of mixing it all up together so I get all those flavors. That is beautiful. I love that color too. El Diablo, you've definitely got me there. If you have any videos that have tequila that are very similar to that, comment below, like. If you like this drink and want to share it with your friends, that would be even better. We're trying to grow our subscriptions. We've just hit like 120,000 views. We are so happy. Thank you for all of you loyal followers. Like again, subscribe. See you again soon, and let's talk drinks.